out cores of ice one by one, the British will melt their way through with hot water. But water will come from the surface snow near the wellhead. Chris Hill, the experiment's programme manager.
We need to melt a large quantity of water. We estimate initially to prime the drilling system we're going to need to melt some 90,000 litres of water, and we've engineered a hot water boiler to do this.
So this is a bespoke boiler for the task?
It's exactly that, a 1.5 megawatt power station, which will allow us to melt the sort of quantities of water we need at the rate we need.
The scalding water will be pumped under pressure into a fat hose almost 3.5 kilometres long. As its 200 kilogram brass nozzle is gradually lowered by winch, the ice before it melts. But all that water, as well as the equipment, has to be cleaned and sterilised to avoid introducing microbes from the outside world into the pristine lake.
We need to make sure that's absolutely clean, because at some point that will actually punch into the lake.
You would do an experiment similar to the one that we're going to do in Lake Ellsworth. It might not be exactly the same, might not involve people, might be automated and remote, but essentially you'd be melting down through the ice, taking some equipment with you.
Here we go, Johnson Bridge Services, just set off, it's now 3:30 in the morning, and we're down to one lane. There's about 4 inches in the third lane, the second lane's not bad, and we've got one drive. Fucking hell, it's proper. Got a beat to get. Shit, I wish I'd bought some snow chains. Alright, we'll see how we get on.
Environments that we do right now.
A collaborative.
Here we go. Everybody's slowing down now. We're running one lane. So I'm flat to the mat, because I say I was going to get to Aberdeen decent time. I've just overtaken the gritter on the inside, which I maybe shouldn't have done. I should have put it on film really. So right, we'll do these 4. Because the snow's brand new, so it's grippy. So I'm halfway in the third lane, second lane. We'll just do these boys.
To the vote. Steve Rose.
What the fuck? That's a wrecker. What's here, boys? Oh fuck. What the fuck? That's the price. What a bastard. See a bloody thing. Here we go. We're all sitting in the inside lane, right, following each other's asses. Right, this snow out here, brand new, grippy as hell. Right, what am I doing? I'm sitting there. I'm on the limit. Fuck off. I'm sitting on the limiter here. Fuck off, man. I love snow. Woo! Who needs snow chains? Fucking bring it on. Right, is he going to keep going? He's going to pass the lot. Well, I'll let you have sort of musical interlude while we wait for this. The gritter. Now should I sit behind it at 40 or shall I undertake the gritter? Eeny, meeny, miny. Ah, fuck, it's too late now. Let's just do it. musical interlude. Oh, first snow of the year, look at this. Oh, it's like wheel spin there. We'll go in here, get some juice, and then we'll crack on up the road. Wheel spin in 8th, that's the one. Go on, son. Woohoo! Fucking top lights working. Bloody snow button, that's your fucking thing. Wheel spin in 8th for beer. Alright. Steady Eddie, do not stop. I don't want to get stuck in here. This is a tight little entrance actually. So just keep it rolling. Oh, here you go, slide. Go on. Wheel spin central. Is it walking? Aye. Oh. Now boys, so much jackknifed. Oh fuck, it has it all. Woohoo! There's the backlights. Oh, beauty! Who the fuck is that? Big style jackknife. And here's the queue. 10 to 5 in the morning, the road's fucked already. Fucking drivers in this country. First fucking snow of the year. And look at that. Useless articles, I won't swear. Well, you see this queue for a wee bit. If in doubt, do it flat out.